Hello everyone, this is Arya from Kaya Academy, and today I will show you how to make your Twitter account private on your phone. So when you send a tweet using the default settings for your Twitter account, you post it to the world. When you want the tweets you send to reach your followers only, you will have to follow these steps to hide your Twitter account. And in this video, I talked about how to hide your Twitter account. So I definitely recommend you to keep watching. So by default, when you tweet, you're broadcasting it to the world. You could make a bad joke to your 170 followers, which I have 38 in this point, and get on a plane, and by the time you land, find out your tweet went viral and now you're out of a job. That's really literally what happened to Justin Sacco. Yeah, this is a true story. Whatever you say on Twitter is the public record. That is, unless you make your Twitter account private. So on Twitter, tweets are either public or protected. Public tweets can be seen by everyone. Protected tweets can only be seen by the persons. For example, I have my followers. Those are the only people that can actually see my tweets. So they cannot even be retweeted. And if you change your account from public to protected, all your previous tweets become protected too. So how to protect your Twitter account? The first thing we got to do, by the way, I'm using mobile interface right now, but don't worry, it's the same thing. Like, how can I say, even if you're using it on your website, the process is very simple, almost the same. And right now I'm using it horizontally because so you guys can see and read everything clearly. But don't worry, the buttons and everything is in the same place. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on my profile icon right there. Then I have this menu bar, right? And from here I will click settings and privacy. And when I have this page, I'll click privacy and safety. And here, as you can see at the top, we have this protect your tweets, and it's saying only current followers and people you pro in the future will be able to see your tweets. So yes, let's turn it on. And now I will show you something. When I go to my profile, as you can see right now my profile is locked and only my 38 followers can see what I tweet. What I retweet, and no one can retweet my tweets. So yeah, but it's good. At least I'm not gonna be out of a job like Justin Sacco did if I make a bad joke and went viral and go viral. So this is the thing. But when you have a private account, there's this thing. New people will not be able to follow you. Instead, they'll have to send you a follow request, and when that happens, you will get a notification. And if you want to how can I say, if you want to accept that person, if you want to prove that person to follow you, then you're gonna say approve. But if you don't, you're gonna decline. Either you're gonna accept or decline. If you're gonna decline that person, if they will really want to follow you, they have to send a follow request again. Yes, unless you accept that request. So the simple is, as you can see, everything is actually very simple. And when you try to do it even from your website, it's not very much different. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions about this video, you can ask me in the comments. If you have any question about Twitter, you can ask me in the comments. If you have any question about anything, you can still ask me on the comments, like social media, technology, those kind of things. And if you have any suggestions, like Daria, maybe you should do it like this, you should do this like that, so you should let me know on the comments. So when I come down there to answer your questions, I will also be reading your suggestions. So thank you for watching. If you liked this video and if you found it helpful, which I know you did, I know, because that's why you came here in the first place, to learn how to protect your Twitter. And now since you did, this video was helpful, right? So you should like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and I know you did, but if you haven't, it's right there, very easy, even easier than protecting your tweets. Just one click. Thanks for watching again. See you guys in the next video.